Welcome back to my series where I show you everything you need to know about your ONN Pro 2 box. Now, if you don't already know, this is part of a course where I have everything from the simplest tutorials to more advanced ones like how to fix your device and how to sideload it. Today, we're going over something very basic, how to update not just your box, but also the remote that comes with it. Let's get to it. Also, subscribe down below. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to update your remote. Now, the menu we're going to be scrolling up to is this top horizontal menu. Go ahead and click on Quick Settings. Now, the great part is they actually put the Update Your Remote option right on this page. So just scroll down until you find it, and then go ahead and update it. You'd be surprised how often you actually need to do this. Listen, why they're updating your remote this much, I don't know. But clearly it's for a reason because the option is there. So if it's not up to date, like apparently mine wasn't, go ahead and update it. That way, all the connectivity issues or anything else you have problems with continues to work just fine. And that was pretty quick. Our device is now good. So now go back to the Quick Settings menu and scroll until you get to All Settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you find System right here. Now, once you're on System, scroll down 3 notches to the About section. I'm going to move my head here for a brief second. You're then going to find System Update. This is where we're going to be able to make sure our device is up to date. Now, this is very important for a few reasons. For one, it might be security fixes. It may be new features. It could be a new Android version from time to time. But a lot of these times, these devices might not automatically update, and you might have to prompt it yourself. So do this every once in a while, maybe every 2-3 months, or subscribe to my channel so you know when to update it.